Good afternoon. This is John Raines. I'm the owner of the Frame Workshop in Appleton, Wisconsin. And I'd like to share with you some thoughts as we have now gone through this second Great Recession, aka the pandemic that shut most of our retail businesses down for the last, 7 weeks? And like many of you fellow framers, we were closed during that entire time. However, we had a website in place already, and with that positioning, we were able to promote and push through social media a lot of the small gift items for either curbside pickup or local delivery, even while we were closed. Things like the photo frames from Prisma that many of you are familiar with, Prisma photo frames, Bedford Downing glass photo frames. We also sold a lot of other small gift items, and probably one of the most popular items we sold were our puzzles. We've always carried a couple lines of jigsaw puzzles. New York Puzzle Company was a line that we carried, and we were able to focus on these as many people stayed home and had nothing else to do but projects, so puzzles were huge. We have content management on our website, so we were able to instantly add curbside pickup, no charge, and local delivery for a minimal charge, in addition to our standard shipping arrangements. We're now open, and of course we've gone through some of the social media or some of the guidelines as far as making things safe, signage clearly defining to customers what our parameters are as far as wearing masks and sanitizing your hands, which sounded so strange at first to ask people to please wash their hands, but after the third day, it became second nature. We've now been open for 2 full weeks, and none of our customers have actually flinched when asked to abide by our standards. Even face masks for those that happen to forget one. More gift items that we've sold through our website during this shutdown period include the Modern Sprout company, which has produced one of Oprah's favorites, these little jars, basically indoor gardening made easy with this hydroponic system. More puzzles. Again, we got big into puzzles. Pomegranate produces a lot of Charlie Harper scenes, one of the artists that we carried since the 1980s, and we're very happy with this particular line, and we've continued to sell these day in and day out. And as our signage and our social media said, stay home and do a puzzle. Thank you.